the ikhwan of monkeys and pigs are humiliating us, or attacking our masajid, or harming our women and children. What happened to us as an ummah? How can we forget our brothers and sisters in China, in the Uyghur provinces, Zhejiang and so on, where they are being forced to eat in the daytime in Ramadan, where they are being put into concentration camps, and imagine their Eid. What is their Eid? Are they not our brothers and sisters in Islam? You will ask me, what can we do? Why talk about something when you're not ready to do anything about it? And I will answer that taking placards and walking and begging the kuffar is not the way of the Sahaba. They didn't go to Faras and Rome and beg them. No, I will remind myself and you that we need to have a people of strength, a people of quwwah, a people of iman. The strength has to come with our yaqeen, our tawakkul, our belief and reliance upon Allah. Rabi' ibn Amir radiyallahu anhu was a Sahabi. Allahu Akbar, this Sahabi, he went to the Persians, the army of Faras, the army of Rustam, the army of Caesar. Here, they stood strong, weaponry, superpower of the time. Rabi' ibn Amir was skinny, weak, didn't have armor, didn't even have a sheath for his sword. Rustam called them. When he went riding, they told him, get off your ride. He said, no, I didn't come here on my own, you called me. I will go as I wish. Izzah. He didn't go and beg. He went with Izzah. Why? What power did they have behind him that we don't have today? We don't have Allah? What nuclear power did they have? What did they have? No, Iman. Physically he was weak. He saw the Persian army in armor and weaponry, big, physically bigger than him, stronger than him, better organized. He laughed. He said, they've put armor on dead bodies. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us, the one who remembers Allah is like the one who is alive, and the one who does not remember Allah is like the one who is dead. They've put armor on dead bodies. They think we're afraid of this? He went to Rustam with honor. Rustam told him, sit. He said, no, I will sit next to you. I will not sit underneath. Not like our leadership today. He went, and Rustam told him, what do you want from us? He said, we don't want anything from you. We don't want anything from you. We came to give you something. Rustam said, what can you give us? He said, we have come to take mankind out of the worship of the creation to the worship of the Khaliq, of the Creator. We've taken mankind to take mankind out of the oppression of other religions into the peace of Islam. He didn't just say, you're good and we're good. No, we came to give that da'wah towards Tawheed. He said, we came to take mankind out of the tightness of this dunya into the vastness of the akhirah. And Allah made it upon the weak hands of those Bedouins, of those desert dwellers that went through the tarbiyah, to the training program of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that Allah gave victories to those lands and those armies by the will of Allah. Today, if we want that, it's not going to come from you going to the bar on the weekend and then protesting on the daytime, doing a dabka dance and thinking this is going to bring victory for Allah. La wallah. You have to correct your aqidah. You have to correct your understanding of Tawheed, of Islam, of the Quran wa Sunnah. You have to obey the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You have to gain knowledge and then act in accordance with that knowledge. You have to bring that connection with Allah. You have to bring that iman and yaqeen, so when you speak with izzah, not with dhullah. Wallahi, 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 Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the same, and the nusrah is there, and we are responsible for this time that we will be held accountable in front of Allah. So I make this niyyah for myself, and I tell my brothers and sisters from this day of Eid to make tark of ma'asi, to leave that which is sinful, and to do our best to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and bring that iman, so that next time we speak as an ummah, we speak as one ummah, we're united upon the kitab wa sunnah, and we speak with izzah. Allahumma taqabbal minna wa minkum.